Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on this 2004 GMC Yukon Denali. It has a leaking brake booster, and it's what it's doing is it's leaking power steering fluid right off of the end of this cylinder here, running down, dropping down on top of the hose there and dripping down off the front. So customer wants a new brake booster put in. We have got a brand new one from GM, so it's the good one, and we're gonna bring you along here and show you how to replace one of these. And hopefully this should be a pretty good video if I can get you guys settled in here. All right, so we're gonna have to remove this, take all those lines off, and then go inside and remove a few things in there. First thing we're going to want to do is get some gloves. Next thing we're going to want to do is, because this is so dirty, we're going to clean this up. Don't need that dirt entering into anything we don't want, including our hands. All right. Now we're gonna remove this. Actually, you know what? Let's remove the brake master cylinder first. Maybe. It's going to be a 15 millimeter socket. Can we get in there? A little wibbly wobbly there. Nope. Okay. Let's try this again. All right. Pretty soon I would have been better off just getting a wrench, but I want power tools. Come on, come loose. Place that there. Come over to the other side. Come on. Ouch. All right, set this out of the way just a little bit, just off to the side. Nope, that's gonna be out of the way. Okay, now before we loosen inside, let's go ahead and take all of these lines at least loose so that it'll be easier to remove whenever we get the bolts or the mounting bolts loose. Come on, please. Fine. We'll just do that. It's gonna make a little bit of a mess. Okay. This one's going to be an 18 millimeter. There should be an O-ring on there. I think it's stuck down below in there. No worries, we're gonna replace them anyway. That one's probably a 16. Yup, 16 millimeter. Please come loose. Yeah, that one stayed down in there too. All right, now we are ready to go inside and remove the brake pedal and the bolts from the inside. Okay, I went ahead and pulled this little clip out. This clip slides across that thing up there to hold the linkage on. It's kind of, it is really tough up in here to see. I don't know if I can get you guys a decent angle here or not. I'm gonna try, but this thing here, right here, goes in between these two pieces on the sensor there. So yeah, basically that thing slides in across there, so you gotta remove that. This slides out, and then that, yeah, that comes right off. So now we've got that light is shining bright, is it not? Okay, so there's 4 bolts, nuts. One there, one up there, one back behind there, and another one behind there. So I think with enough wobbles, we can get them loose. So I'm gonna do that, and I will be back. I either don't have the right equipment or don't know how to get you guys a good view there and still work. So I'll be back. Alrighty, we have removed those 4 nuts off of there. Now we are ready to have hoses flying everywhere, probably. Serious. Please cooperate. Okay. Now, this thing should come up out of here just like that, and it'll make a little bit of a mess. I definitely did not have a hold of that thing the correct way. These are reverse thread bolts that are threaded into their reverse thread. I'm not sure if the new one has those or not, but let's find out. Come over here and we'll get our new one. Okay, yep, it does have the new ones. Let's go ahead and remove this. Warning, do not remove this pedal rod from the hydraulic booster. Okay. Checking, yes, same, new, yeah. Everything's the same. Looks good, looks good. Yeah. Leave that on there. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now gently place this back in there. Okay, now we just hook everything up back in reverse order. All right, now finally got that interior done, interior work, whatever. The 4 bolts and hooked up the brake pedal. Now we're gonna go ahead and hook this back up. This just goes, there we go. Come on. Starting that nut. And let's go ahead and start this one. Okay. Tightening down. Come on. Come on, give me room, please. Okay. Click. Over on the other side. Click. Okay, now this hose comes over to here. We are gonna need to get my O-ring. Ah, come on. Need to get my O-rings to put on these ends, and then I will be back with those. And then this O-ring slides right across the end there. Feel it kind of go in there. Get it started with, finish tightening it with my, nope. Okay. Please go in. There we go. Get the angle of the dangle right, and it'll just work just fine. Okay, there's that. Now, This one here. Grab my 18mm. Come on. The noise you're hearing is me trying to stand on a bucket because I'm short and I didn't want to go get my ladder, so standing on a bucket. In a world of OSHA violations. What are you chewing on there, dog? Hoss, what you chewing on? Huh? All right. I believe we are ready for this. Clean. No job would be complete without a cleaning. Can't have oil dripping from a new piece. There. Hey. Some reason he never has liked an air hose. Attacks it every time. All right, now we're probably gonna have to add a little bit of power steering fluid after we run it a little bit. Oh, maybe not. This is like way over full. Get a rag and we'll wipe this down. Yeah, it's a little over full. I think they got the wrong line in mind. Okay, let's see what happens. Fire it up and check for leaks. Brakes. Yep. Sounds good. Listen to that 6.0. No leaks so far. Supply a little pressure to it. No leak, and no leak over there. Well, that wraps that one up. All right, well, I've taken this thing out on a test drive. Everything seems to work good. We'll pop the hood and check for leaks. I'm gonna check for leaks underneath as well, because we did an extensive amount of work on the engine and the rear main seal on this thing. If you haven't seen that video, I'll provide a link up above, probably about right in there somewhere. But yeah, I think we don't have any leaks here. No leaks there. We're burning off a little oil. Now let's go ahead and check our transmission fluid. Yeah, that's right on the money. I think. Yep, right on the hot. We'll get in underneath. Everything looks dry underneath. A little wet there yet where I had to drain a little bit out of the pan. All right. I believe this thing is ready to send back to the customer. I'll need to double check the list and just make sure I didn't miss anything, but I don't think there's anything else that needs. So I believe this thing is ready to send back to the customer. I'm going to do a double check of the list, make sure I got everything, but I think I did as far as I can remember. But yeah, that'll end this video for now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tap that like button if you like this video, if it helped you out in any way. If it did not, and if you didn't like it, let me know that in the comments below, and I will try to improve. But for now, that'll end this video. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Really helps me out. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.